Better than chocolate? Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about something that's better than chocolate, and it's by Too Faced. In this video you will see the unboxing of the palette, swatches of the palette, close-up features of the palette, and how I came up with this look. So with that said, let's begin! Start with buttercream to set the primer. So buttercream kind of looks dark. Oh, you know, not bad. Look at that. Oh, that is pretty much a little bit darker than my skin tone, but we'll just use that as an all-over color. Next, I think I'm gonna take Bite Me for my crease color, and I'm just gonna take that in my crease. Also, this palette smells really good. It smells like chocolate, but it's not overpowering that it makes you want to like ugh. Next, I'm going to take Midnight Snack. This is a very dark eggplant shade, and I'm going to be using the Sonia G Builder 3 eyeshadow brush. That is such a pretty purple shade. In the swatch, it looked darker than this, and on the eyes, it looks really nice and purpley. And I'm also taking this shade in the inner corner of my eyes to make a halo eye. Next, I'm gonna take the shade Gold Digger right here. I'm gonna take that shade right in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna try and put with my finger for a little bit more oomph because we're gonna blend it out later. Whoa. Now I'm gonna take my Sonia G brush, the soft shader, and I'm gonna take Bite Me again just to blend that out in the crease. I kind of want a darker shade in the crease. I think I might use Brownie Points because it's the darkest brown, and let's apply that on the crease, make it a little dark. Somehow I think I like that better. All right, now I'm gonna take the blending brush again and then blend that. So I was looking at Sugar Rush. I noticed so pretty. Like, I really want to use that. I'm gonna put that on top of Midnight Snack just to make the purpley a little bit brighter. Ooh, I like that. Oh, smaller flat brush. I sprayed it with the Morphe setting spray. I kind of wish this shade was more like a true shimmer instead of a topper. It's so pretty, the color. Okay, now I'm gonna take a pencil brush. This is the Shikuhodo pencil brush, and I'm gonna take Midnight Snack and apply that on the lower lash line. I definitely need to brighten up this look, and the only light color is Milk It, and I think that is also a topper. That is definitely the brightness that I was looking for, and there is definitely a lot of fallout with that shade, like I thought it was gonna be. Okay, I think I sprayed a lot more with that one because that thing is bland. Definitely gonna fix the other side to match this out of this world highlighter. Okay, I'm feeling this, I'm feeling this. But what do I do about the glow over there? Because I definitely don't want to put Milk It. But if I use a very loose type of pencil brush, it should be okay, maybe. Oh my gosh. I am not very good with smoky eyes. This is such a struggle for me. Maybe I should have picked something else, but it's gorgeous. No, it's gorgeous when it's done. All right, oh, actually I don't see anything. We're gonna be using that for the brow bone, even though it's chunky as heck. And it's not the type of brow bone shimmer I like. I wanted to take buttercream and kind of blend this part out. This is why this channel has a description of let's try this and let's try that. I didn't say I was a pro. I'm just your typical consumer of makeup, and I want to try it out just to see how us ladies who are not pros or makeup artists, you know, just see how we do. Okay guys, so I'm gonna apply some eyeliner and lashes, and I will be right back. For the eyeliner, I just did a non-wing one, or like a baby wing, I guess. Okay, so for the lips, since I have a lot going on here on my face, I think I'm just gonna mute this out just to get attention on my eyes. I'm gonna be using Too Faced Bed Booty. Okay, this shade is definitely lighter than my lips, and I think I'm gonna fill it all out because my lips are so pink right now. What I love about the Too Faced lip liners, they are so creamy to put on, but they are so hard to take off. I was swatching it in Sephora the other day when I bought the other shade. This is Limitless Life, and I could not take it off even with their makeup remover, and usually the other things took off really fast and easily, but these liners, you guys, they are amazing. And then for the lips, I was gonna use Jouer. This is the shade Maiden Lane. All right, guys, we did it. We are finished, and this is the result. Do you guys have this palette yet? What do you think about it? Do you love it, or is it just like it's been seen and done before? I mean, I know it has been done before because I have other palettes that is very similar to this. What palette do you have that is similar in shades and tone to this palette? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And if you are looking for more videos to watch on my channel, check out this video right here. I will see you there, and don't forget, have a beautiful and a wonderful day.